What's up guys, this is Zach over here at Uptown Barbers, and today I'm going to show you how we use our cement clay. This is Layrite Cement Clay. This product works best with fine to medium thick hair. Length, I would say between short and medium. And if you're looking for a messy look or a structured dry look, this is the product for you. Start off with about a dime size worth of the product and add more if needed to achieve your style. When using the product and you're emulsifying, you should feel a little heat in your hand. When you feel that heat, that means that the product is ready to go into the hair. That heat is going to allow more pliability. So when you're raking through the hair, you're not going to feel like tugging at the hair. It'll glide right in nice and easy. With Owen, we achieved a slick back look because of the strong hold that the cement clay has. We're able to obtain a nice hold on that look, but still leaving it very dry looking. The product went into his hair when the hair was completely dry. There was no moisture in the hair, and you saw how easy it was for that hair to form. Using my hands or using the comb at the end, very easy product to manage. Our cement clay is so versatile. What it can do, you can get a very structured matte look, or you can get a very messy look. Just depends on how you want to use it. The hair is not going to move at all throughout the day. So if you're someone that moves a lot, this is going to be the one for you because it's going to have long lasting hold in your hair. You're not going to have to worry about your hair falling out of place. It'll be solid all day. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. This is how I use our cement clay. If you want to check it out for yourself, go to layrite.com and pick you up a bundle.